Hello everyone, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this session, we are going to learn how to install Power BI in our Windows machine. If you want to create a dashboard by using Power BI, as a first step, we have to install the Power BI in our machine. In order to install Power BI, so we have to follow these steps. So first we will see how to download the software and how to install it and how to connect with data source and how to create a sample dashboard. This installation is very easy. Just to follow these steps, you can install it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. Go to any browser and type Power BI desktop download. So you'll be getting this particular page. So go to this page. So if you go a little bit down, you can find download options here. So if you want to get the details, you can see the details. What is the version? So what is the file name? So here we have the two different file. One is 32-bit and another one is 64-bit. So we'll go for 64-bit. So most of the system will have the 64-bit OS, right? So that will go for 64-bit. If you want to see the system requirement, you can check the system requirement here. And this is a system requirement and you can see the installation instruction as well. So just to click on download, so you'll be getting this particular page. If your system has 32-bit, download this particular version. Most of the system will have 64-bit OS. So download this particular version itself. Click on next. It will get downloaded. It will take some time based on your network speed. Once it got downloaded, you can click on the exe file. You'll be getting this particular wizard. You can choose the language as English and go to next. Click on yes here. So click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. So no need to change here. Just click on next. So create a desktop shortcut. Yes, we need the shortcut also. You can click on install. It will get installed automatically. It will take 5 to 10 minutes based on your system speed. We will wait. It has been installed successfully. You can click on finish button. It will automatically open the Power BI. You can click on this desktop icon if it is not launched. It has been launched and you can see here this is the one, right? Yes, you can close this particular window and you can click on this and this is the installation we have completed. So this is the latest version and you can see here you will be having a 3 view here and the data model view and we have the data view and we have the report view. So 3 different views are there. So you can go to the data model view, you can get data, click on get data, you can connect with a different data set here. Say for an example, I want to connect with Oracle dataset or I want to connect with any CSV file. Yes, you can connect. If yes, Oracle is not listed here, you can go to more options and you can see your database. You can connect with different databases here. So multiple databases are available. You can check the description and you can install any databases, connect with the database, and it will ask the server name. So since in our machine we have installed Oracle, we can give localhost and we can provide OK here. You can go to the database authentication. You can click on username is HR and password is also HR. So whatever the databases you are using, you can provide the respective connection details here. Click on connect. The data sources will get connected. After that, you can start working on this view. See here, these are all the different schemas are available in my database and I can go to HR schema. I can connect with the different views here. So if I want to connect with the tables or views, yes, I can connect with tables or views here. I can choose my tables. Just I'm choosing employees table. So what departments table and locations table, whatever the table I want, I can just select it, click on the load. The data model will get loaded here. You can see this based on the data model in the database. It has been already connected here. And you can go to the report view. On the right hand side, you can see the tables. And if I want to know how many employees are there in each countries, yes, you can take the country here. We can take the country ID. Yes, we'll have the different country ID. And we can go for how many employees are there in the each country, right? Yes, you can go with the employee ID here. You can click on any chart. Based on the chart, you will be getting the data here. And this is the way we will get the data. Based on each country, how many number of employees are available. So that's what we can get it. You can check the description for the complete Power BI tutorial and start working on this Power BI and start creating the sample dashboard. We will meet in our next session.